Hey guys, it's Maiah, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super exciting one because it's going to be a DIY video, and I haven't done a DIY video in a hot minute, so I'm super stoked for it. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make 2 DIY baseball hats, and they are both super cute. I'm obsessed with them. So I have this really cute rose one right here that's like distressed on a black hat, and then I also have this really cute denim one that has this really cute like wildflower, forget-me-not flower on it. And I love both of these hats, so I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to make the patches to go on the hats and also how to distress this black hat as well. So if you guys want to know how to upcycle some old baseball caps that you have in your closet, then make sure to continue watching this video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so starting off with everything you're going to need to distress the black hat is of course, an old black baseball cap, some bleach with a little bit of water mixed in, and then you're also going to need some scissors or anything else you want to use to distress it. So go ahead and just get your scissors, and I just kind of snipped at my hat, made little holes, and just roughed it up, honestly, and I realized this was going to take me quite a bit of time, so I needed some form of entertainment. So what I did is I went ahead and I went on Spotify and I just blasted some music. Okay, so after distressing my hat, I just threw it in the sink and I got my bleach spray, turned that puppy on, and I just began to spray the hat. And remember, the closer you spray the hat, the more of the bleach concentration will be there. So just keep that in mind. If you want it to have less of that distressed bleach look, then spray farther away. Okay, so this is the finished product. I did put a little too much bleach on the front part, so I was kind of warning you guys about making sure you're spraying farther away at first. So I did end up going in with some black dye and a sponge brush to clean it up later down the road. I did not show that on video, but I did end up doing that. So now we're going to make the patches, which are so much fun to make, and this is like really what makes the hat your own. So what I did is I got a piece of jean fabric, grabbed a fine point Sharpie marker, and then I just found an image on my phone. So I wanted to do a rose on this one, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and start drawing out a rose. Okay, so once I finally had a rose I was happy with, I decided to go ahead and start painting it. So I just grabbed a super small paintbrush and some paint and went at it. Okay, so once you have your patch painted, I went ahead and made sure I let it dry. I probably let it dry for around 30 minutes. It doesn't really take too long to dry. And I did use acrylic paint, by the way. I didn't mention that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out and leave a little bit of a border. I went ahead and painted both of my patches and cut them out. I'm now going in with some clear nail polish, and I'm just going to be painting this all around the edges, that way they do not fray. After laying the clear nail polish glue, I'm now just going to place and hot glue the patches right on my hat. And then that's it. You're done.